Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to combine multiple clips inside of CapCut. So I've got a CapCut project open here and I'm going to click on import. So what import does is it will allow us to select the video clips that we would like to join together. So let's say I want these videos. Yeah, let's say I want these 4 videos to be joined together. Now I can click on open and it's going to load them into the program right here. So you can start editing the videos already here in the media browser because I have noticed that this video is a bit longer than the rest. So I want to shorten it down. So I'm just going to drag this trim bar that shows up when it's highlighted. And I'm just going to make it a bit shorter. That way it matches the rest of my videos. And I'll also shorten the other ones a little bit and really just choose where I want the videos to end. So that's a good spot to end and that's a good spot to start. Same thing for this one, like so. So now that that's done, I can start loading the clips into my timeline and I'm just going to be dragging and dropping them. So I'm going to start with this one, drag and drop into my timeline, holding left click, and this one, then this one, and then this one. Make sure that when you drag them into your timeline, you're dragging them on the same video track. So what that means is the same layer, because if you'll notice, you can drag and drop it above, and I believe also below. Nope, just above, and it's going to create a new video track. And the problem with new video tracks is that CapCut doesn't automatically remove any gaps. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it here to the layer above. And as you can see, there's a gap in the video where it's all just black. So we want to avoid that just by making sure everything is on the same timeline. So I'm going to drag and drop the videos again very quickly for the example, for the demonstration. So once that's done, you can see there are no gaps, and as we move the playhead, it seamlessly starts playing the next video when the other one ends. And once you have all your videos in your timeline and properly trimmed, now we are ready to export. So click on the export button here at the top right, and I'm just going to name this multiple clips merged. Going to save it to my desktop. All the settings look good. So now I'm just going to click on export and now it is saved and ready for viewing. So let's click on open folder. Again, I'm going to hit play and we're going to be able to watch and see the video clips that we've loaded into the timeline seamlessly cut from one to the other, as you can see there. So it's really quick and really easy. All you really have to do is be familiar with what the timeline looks like. And remember that the timeline plays from left to right, and just be mindful of any gaps when dragging the videos around. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.